In my previous video, I have taken you to this stunning architectural marvel of Sahara Star, where I have showed you my chamber for the night and breathtaking sights of lagoon from my balcony. In case you have missed my previous video, you can click on the info card at the topmost right corner of your screen. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel in case you want to watch many more such videos. As the day progresses, you will be mesmerized by the enchanting beauty of this place. To tantalize your senses and to create the moments for the album of memories, you might want to head towards the 5 food and beverage destination that the place has to offer. They have an array of secret recipes for every kind of travelers, whether you are traveling solo or you are on a corporate trip. The hotel brings together a sumptuous array of delicacies from across the globe. Come and experience this culinary journey along with us. Such a nice ambience. Complemented by India's finest 4,000 square feet marine aquarium and a boat towards only private dining room inside a marine aquarium, exquisite marine lives, the hotel weaves a dining facility amidst these aquatic wonders. The private dining room is a unique space covered by exceptional marine aquarium on 3 sides. Exclusive in every manner, the private dining room is ideal for board meetings and special celebrations, as it features customized menu, elegant table settings and special services. It is operational between 12 to 4 in noon and 7 to 1 am in midnight. Another one in the list is East. East offers a rich experience of Pan-Asian cuisines in the ambience resembling the culture of Asia. You can savor the mysteries of Asia from China, Thailand, Japan and other parts of South Asia, as the restaurant will embark you on a journey that has a high degree of authenticity. The operational hours are between 12:30 pm to 3 pm and 7 pm to midnight 12. Moving on to Manohar, which is a perfect melange of Gujarat and Marwar delicacies served in a single thali. Cherish the gourmet delights between 12 pm to 2:45 pm and 6 pm to 11 pm at night. To complement rejuvenation and mental healing with physical fitness and training, they also have a fully equipped gymnasium to suit the needs of those who love working out to relieve stress. The state-of-the-art gymnasium of Sahara Star offers a wide array of cardio and strength training equipments. Their on-staff trainers and volunteers are there to help you to provide a place to improve and maintain the quality of your life physically and mentally. Hours of operation are between 6 am to 10 pm and the gymnasium is open on all days of the week. If you want to experience the culture from all around the world, you must visit Earth Place, the global cuisine restaurant of Sahara Star. It features a selection of Italian, Mediterranean, French and Far Eastern delicacies along with Indian regional favorites. It is one of the largest all-day dining restaurants in the city of Mumbai. You can actually watch the culinary maestros at work in the show kitchen while you enjoy the delicacies from all around the world. The operational hours are between 7 pm to 11 pm. Our experience with Sahara Star was phenomenal. We were amazed by the splendor and the vast range of food options available under one roof. Apart from delicious food, we experienced amazing hospitality that brings us back to this place every time. I would pick this place as one of my best stays in India without even blinking an eye. So, if you like the place and you are planning to visit it in future, do let me know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to the channel to watch many more such content.